Cannot see the Hibernate option on your Windows PC? It just disappeared, or maybe it was never there? Don't worry, in the next few seconds I will show you exactly how to enable Hibernate on Windows 10 and 11, step by step. Let's get started. First, let's check if the Hibernate option is available. Open the power options, and as you can see, the Hibernate option is not available here. So let's fix it. Open the control panel, then go to Systems and Security, and under the power options, click on Change what the power buttons do. After that, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. Now check the Hibernate option and click on Save changes. Now let's check again whether the Hibernate option is available or not. And as you can see, it is now available. And that's it. Your Hibernate option is back. Now you can easily save power and resume your work anytime. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Bye bye.